Right, here you go, Stuart. First video for a while. 1897 Carette. First steam in many years. I don't know, I haven't tested it, only on here. Seems to be running okay. Lead cylinder. Oops. Also bought this old fountain thing. I don't know where that's from. Distinctly Bing looking, I think, the colours. I bought that and that French hammers over there. That was in bits. Repaired that. Alright, so this is picking up a bit now. Yes, 1890. It's by far the oldest engine I've got. Chap I bought it off said he steamed it many years ago and it steamed, and he said if I wish to steam it he can't see any reason why, and he's proved correct. Look at that. It's quite stiff as well, that. I have stretched the band a little bit, but even after all these years, look at it. What a lovely thing. Original burner. Oops, in there, got the saucepan with it, whatever that's for, and a funnel, and more importantly the box. I don't know whether you can see on the bottom there, probably not. It's got 2nd of the 8th 1897, so that's not a trademark, that is a manufacturer of the box, and this is number 1000. I don't know whether it's a model number or the 1000th engine done. Get up there, love it. And it's surprisingly no leaks. Apart from that spray is coming out of that. It's the oil coming out the bottom of that piston. A tiny little speck of water after all these years. Amazing. Carette. Over the back there, I've got a what it's called now. It's one of them. I'll think of it, I'll let you know later. Fritz Neumeier, that's it. Well, I think this one's called a Leonard Neumeier, so I don't know what the difference is. And in between that one at the back there, there's no whistle on it, whereas my other one, slightly bigger, got a whistle on it. And funny enough, it's running the very same hammers there, French hammers, as that I bought with this set. It's over the back there, being repaired. Excellent. The only thing is, the flame is a bit fierce on the burner. I've got the wick right down in there, I can't get it any lower, and something I've found with these old burners, you can never get them dead right. And the other thing you've probably noticed, there's no safety valve on this early engine, just an engine water cap filler, so really just got to be a little bit careful you don't let it warm up for too long. We'll go around the other side there. A bit. How is that? A bit better. I never know where to put my light in here. I've got a lot of room to put this spotlight. Get around the corner there. Can't keep my arms long enough. Where are we? Somewhere right there. Probably notice the other engine there, Classic Bloke. Already got a video of that, I think I sent you. I need to do a little bit of work on the Neumeier. Nothing much. Anyway, 5 minutes, that's probably enough, isn't it, for an old deer like that. That thing is pretty red hot there, and there's a bit of a flame coming out the back, so I'm probably going to burn myself. Oh, I ain't got the puff anymore. Oh, hang on, pair of pliers. Hang on a minute, excuse me. Look at that. Look. Bonfire. Oh, I don't know. Anyway. There we go. What an excellent steam run for all these years. It's some years since this has been steamed, so the chap said. And he was dead right. Runs perfectly well. Right, cheers mate, I'll see you later. I better tell you what it was again. 1897 Carette.